Alrighty, well, it has been a couple days since I dropped this thing off, and we got my cruise control module here. So they walked me through. They said to pull it over like this, see how now it turned on, gave me that light there, and once I'm up to like 30 mile an hour, it'll allow this to turn to green to where I can set it. And then I have the little set piece right here to set down, push up to resume, and then to turn it back off, you just pull it to the side. So, and then they say obviously hitting the brake or clutch should cancel it out, so we'll see what happens. Alright. It is cold out here today. It is snowing, which definitely is not the most fun thing in the world. Here we go. Alright, let's get it to fourth gear and set. Oh, look at that. Oh man, this is gonna be amazing. Wow, nothing like being able to ride with no handlebars. Alright, man, this is definitely the move, getting cruise control. Here, let me bring myself back over to the middle of the road. But yeah, look at that. That is nice. Alright, so they said push it up. Alright, so if you look right there, it went up to 43, 44, 45. Didn't touch the throttle or anything, so it's doing its thing. Yes, riding without handlebars is totally the safest thing to do. Especially... Alright, so what we're going to do is I am going to try just activating the rear brake and see if it cancels. Alright, so we still have green light. Alright, and it canceled. Alright, now resume. Alright, look at that. That worked out perfectly. Wow, this is awesome. Especially now that I can just ride without my hands on the grips and stuff, because this bike is super smooth. It really is. Like, this is just, I almost feel like a passenger on my own bike. I'm pretty much the equivalent of autopilot. Alright. Don't waste time. So when I took this in for service, they adjusted that out, which for me made it a little too high up for the bite point for me, because I like having the bite point a little bit lower down. Oh, so yeah, this pretty much, I just wanted to kind of get this a little update for y'all. You know, since I got the brake-in mileage done, and now I'm set for, you know, less regular riding. You know, once it's nice out, I'll be able to finally open this thing up and experience what it has to offer, which should be quite a bit. So yeah, I'm excited. Now it's one of those things that, because I was thinking about this the other day, now that I have cruise control, I don't know if I'll ever be able to go back to a bike that doesn't have it. It's just one of those things. It's just a luxury item that I will just always have to have now for the rest of my existence. So the guy said that I can't set cruise control over 100 miles an hour, or he doesn't think. He's not 100% sure, which, you know, I know for like Subarus, because when I worked at Subaru, the top speed was 95 mile an hour that you could set a cruise control at. So I don't know how this bike will do. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna ever have it up to, you know, that speed, you know, or a long enough straight to where I can keep it at that speed, you know, to set a cruise control. But yeah, I'm gonna love this. This is wonderful. It's gonna give my hands and wrists a lot of you know, what do you call it, relaxation, especially when I'm doing like those nice highway loops. Because yeah, or hell, even a back road like this, to set it at 30, 35, you know, actually do the speed limit for once in my life. And yeah, all I gotta do now is try to see if I can get used to trying to turn, you know, like slight turns like this without using the handle grips or some shit. So but yeah, I am very excited about this new prospect of. Alright, I pulled in the clutch and it disconnected. Alright, so it seems to definitely be working very, very well. Alright, no feet down, no feet down, no feet down. Woohoo! Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is definitely nice. Especially when it's cold like this. Oh man, I am so happy I found that I got this. Alright, well, enough with me rambling about this. I'm gonna end off the video here. Peace and take it easy. Hope you like.